It's day 4 and the Nehawu protests continue across the country. On Thursday morning, Health Minister Joe Phaahla addressed the media at the Charlotte Maxeke Hospital in Johannesburg. The ongoing protests have disrupted hospital operations, claiming 4 lives.
This morning, preliminarily, I'm afraid to go into a lot of detail. There was an indication that up to a number of 4 people, are likely to have lost their lives in a manner which can be attributed directly to the strike. We have a legal team which we are consulting to look at what are our options in that regard.
Phaahla added that as the protests continue, workers could face criminal charges.
The principle of no work, no pay will be implemented quite forthright, and we're under very clear instruction from, our senior people in government that this time no one, the MEC and her team and all other provinces, they must not entertain the idea of a staggered no work, no pay. If it's withdrawal of services in March, that deduction must happen in the course of March. Those who can be identified in one way or another as having participated in the violence, in the disruption, physical and so on, of disruption, they will face, on the one side, we explore with our legal team criminal charges, but also definitely disciplinary charges.
Nehawu's Mandla Mdluli says the workers understand the consequences of their protests.
Now the reason we are here, we know very well that it's going to be a no work, no pay, but we are fighting for a cause. We know very well that it's going to be a no work, no pay. We are on strike. It must be said, we are on strike. We are not picketing. We are on strike. It's a total shutdown. We are withdrawing our power. We're not working. We're not giving the employer our hands. So we are on strike. It is expected it's going to be a no work, no pay. But as far as closing or not giving access to patients, it's a lie. We have not done it. Even yesterday, I'll give you an example. Yesterday, a matron came outside here and requested us to give her 5 nurses that were on strike. We spoke to about 10 nurses. We gave her 10 nurses. So it's not true to say we have denied access to workers and patients.
The Gauteng Health Department has since obtained an interdict against the union. Nehawu will continue the stay away until their demands are met.